Our group measured the analysis of tweet content and interactions with followers between different magazine Twitter accounts.
Our group thought that Twitter would be an interesting research topic to look into because it's a growing social media network site. It's really popular among people, businesses, with advertising, reaching out to different audiences, and it's a quick and easy way to talk to audiences. You can tweet in a matter of seconds. Our findings show how magazines communicate to particular audiences.
For our four hypotheses, the first one says the genre of magazine Twitter account predicts the content of the tweet. The second one says the genre of magazine Twitter account predicts the number of tweets tweeted per day by an account. The third one says content tweets will produce the most retweets as compared to the rest of the content types that were tested. And the final one says the genre of the magazine Twitter account predicts the number of followers an account will have on Twitter.
This is an example of a tweet we measured. We measured the retweets, favorites, followers, and the type of tweet. So this particular tweet would be in the entertainment genre. We also categorized the tweet into specific categories.
This is our coding sheet. We used 6 genres of magazines for a total of 18 different magazines. For each tweet we measured, we coded 1 through 7 for content. 1, contest/promotion. 2, news. 3, magazine/online article link. 4, reply. 5, retweet from an outside source. 6, multimedia. 7, other. And recorded the number of followers, retweets, and favorites.
This is a graph of tweet content by genre. The different colors represent the content categories that we coded for. As you can see, the largest is orange, which is magazine and online article link, and the second largest is multimedia. This is a graph of retweet by tweet content. As you can see, there are a few outlier dots at the top, but the contest content tweet, which is on the bottom left corner, had the least amount of retweets overall. This is a graph of the number of tweets per day by genre, and some of the accounts tweeted up to 80 times a day, where others didn't tweet at all. This is a graph of the number of followers by genre of account, and as you can see, the number of followers varies depending on what kind of account it is, because none have the same number of followers.
Some of our strengths included that we had very high intercoder reliability. After 2 trial tests, we ended up having 100% between each other. We ended up having a very large sample size with over 3,000 tweets. Our group made sure that we got started right away with our project so we didn't have to rush anything, and we paced ourselves the entire time. And our group made sure that we were consistent with checking our tweets. Some of our weaknesses included that a couple of the magazines had larger groups of followers, so they tweeted more often. Some magazines had a smaller sample size than others, such as the news genre account tweeted a lot more than Home and Garden. And Twitter is a constantly changing social media network site, so the number of tweets and followers fluctuates in just a matter of seconds.
For the first hypothesis, it was obvious that certain types of accounts tweeted different things that appealed to more specific audiences. For the second hypothesis, Twitter accounts that have more time-sensitive information tweeted more during the day, while Twitter accounts that are more hobby-related accounts didn't tweet as much. Our third hypothesis was rejected. We thought that the contest content tweets would have more retweets, but they were not tweeted that much. The news outlet ended up having the most. Our final hypothesis shows that the more lively and active account genres have the most followers, while the hobby-based accounts have the least amount of followers.